My name is Ryan. I'm working to donate 1,000 websites to nonprofit organizations. In the past, I've worked for organizations like the Fund for Public Interest Research, raising money for Environment Colorado, Save the Children, directly with children from Vision Quest as a rehabilitation instructor. And for the last years, I've been working on my own and with a team of other developers for a business, trying to get back to what I have done in the past and use technology to help others. I'm trying to donate 1,000 websites to different nonprofit organizations in the environment, animal rescue, and fundraising sectors. So if an organization has any ambition and proven track record towards the betterment of environmental, human, or animal health, I'd like to donate one of these sites. So let me show you a little bit about where we've gotten so far. So this one's the fundraiser here that we're looking at, and I'm going to go through the environment and the animal rescue ones with you. So on the environment one, for example, one of the prominent things we've done is we've integrated these simple versions that directly communicate to people and involve them in helping with the different things that a nonprofit would want them to help with. These things are prominently displayed throughout, always involving the user in the end goal of what the nonprofit will need. In many cases, it's giving money. So we enabled a complete shopping cart with an e-commerce system. Um, let's take a look at one of the at the shop here. So in this cart we haven't put any items in yet, but let's say we wanted to buy a, a tree or donate a tree, and we can go through that entire amount. It has the option to make the donation in honor of somebody and then send out a card. For example, is something that we've seen is important for some people. Also, the ability to make donations on a continuous basis is important for the sustained membership that a lot of nonprofits that I've worked with have needed in the past. So we've included those type of things on the way on the donation and the shopping cart, so you can also sell products. We've also made it so that people can easily join as members or advocate or sign a petition or become a volunteer. So everything is centered around the users helping. Another really cool thing about these sites is that they're responsive, so they're ready to be used on mobile and desktop. Well, let's take a look at the ability to petition, for example. This one allows you to create a campaign. You can then have the information typed in so the user can sign the petition, and they can also email out this petition to who they want, and then it's going to be, they have the option to share that on Facebook. So you really have the ability to make a lot of powerful moves through these sites. And you can do all of this from your iPhone or your iPad. Animal Rescue, it has the same functionality, but a different design. A couple of the things here is the ability to integrate with databases for pet adoption, reporting lost and found animals, but otherwise a lot of the tactics and techniques that the site has are similar, like the volunteer option, for example, something that all nonprofits need, and especially animal rescue groups. So it has the prominent ability to collect volunteers, and then it describes each of those different volunteer positions here so that they can go through the positions and follows up with asking them to join um, the organization. So you're thinking, well, how am I gonna? It's great, but it's blue and our logo is green. So you can easily change the primary color of the site and also the secondary colors throughout. Um, and there's a whole host of different things that we've added into these sites that really most nonprofits simply cannot achieve on their own. You can look at the full list on rmnm.com/nonprofit. I've invested months and months and lots of money already into this. I'd like to get to a point where it is the absolute best option for any nonprofit. Responsive design, email petition advocacy, e-commerce capable, original design, unique brand, conversion focused design. All of these things. Oh, and a huge component of it is the support that's available on the content management system, which is something that a lot of nonprofits just don't have to date. So I'll show you a little bit about that.